Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. Is your smoke detector or carbon monoxide detector beeping? We've got the answers. I'm here with Pat, a 20-year veteran of the fire department. All right, if people have a carbon monoxide detector that's chirping, what could that be a signal of?
It could be a signal of low battery, that it's not getting power that it needs. And if that's the case, you want to change the batteries out immediately. If you're still having problems, I would advise replacing it. The technology changes so much, and anytime within 5 to 7 years, it's a relatively inexpensive item.
Right, just go ahead and replace it.
Absolutely.
Good advice. And that's it. If you'd like more information, please go to our website, acehardware.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Better yet, stop by your local neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.